Welcome back, everyone. Just a real quick rant session on my experience installing the OpenClaw AI agent system. So I figure when this project started off, I was thinking I have a pretty decent rig. It's an Asus 12th gen Intel with an Nvidia chip, so I should be in pretty good shape. And I proceeded to install the OpenClaw instance. And, thinking after watching all the videos that in a couple of hours or a couple of days, I'll figure out this whole AI thing. I'll build my first AI and then figure out what to do with it and go from there in no time at all. Just mass produce them, pump them out like a factory, and all my problems will be resolved. What I neglected to consider during this experiment was how much of a pain it is to do this. Alright, so in order to install this on a PC system, first you need to install a virtual environment called Windows Subsystem for Linux. After that, you have to install Homebrew, which allows you to use command line interface to install NodeJS, Git, Python, and just a whole bunch of other garbage. Alright, so if you enjoy playing with like Windows PowerShell or command line, command prompt, if you're good with that, then you'll probably enjoy the process. But I didn't. And after all that was said and done, I ran into setup issues regarding the local, model setup with the Llama, Qwen, and the online, frontier AI setup with ChatGPT, OpenAI. And so what I ended up doing was I bought a subscription to Claude and had Claude do most of the heavy lifting. So I probably burned through I got the monthly subscription, but I was timed out several instances from just using too much Claude, and I must have burned through like 1,000,000 tokens in setting up this now half functioning machine. Anyway, so that's my experience, and it's not all sunshines and puppy dogs like what a bunch of people were claiming out there. So just be warned. All right, it's a real time sink, and hopefully I'll have better reports next time. Thank you. Bye.